And now when we enable Valhalla again, and you can see instantly we're getting some really interesting results. The next thing is going to be to create another audio channel. And let's call this Resample FX. And then we're going to set Granulator as our input. Mute the output of this channel because we don't want to double up our audio. And then it's just a matter of actually jamming and playing over your track with these. Just trying out a bunch of different positions. If you want, you can also play around with the presets in Valhalla. If you find some sounds you really like. So I do advise you to try and just jam around on top of your track.